Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out Vimtag's G3 camera. It's 1080 pixel quality. So pause here if you want to read this. What I'm noticing right away is it's small and compact, so let's get unboxing. So this is everything that comes in the box. You get your nice cable, plenty of length. You get a double-sided 3M sticky pad that you can mount it. They also provide you with the charging plug and also the screws to mount it. Guys, I'm loving this. I'm actually really loving this because the fact that it's so small and compact, this is really nice. You guys know I love small and compact items, so I'm very curious to see the quality and install it and set it up. But overall, guys, looks like it to be a nice kit. So you can mount it, you just lift up the camera, drive the screw right underneath, and you can mount it on a wall if you don't want to use the double-sided 3M tape. It can rotate left and right. Let's go ahead and show you guys the video quality. If you haven't seen it already, I may have put a teaser clip in the beginning, but overall, this is really nice. It reminds me of a webcam. Alright guys, so as you can see, the footage is now up and running. This is a location that I do most of my video recordings and testing. So as you guys can see, this is live video footage. Got an Amazon driver delivering more packages. You know, when I see her running, the song comes in my head. She's a runner, she's a track star. Maybe I should do an edit sometime, but overall, I'm happy with this.